Welcome to this video on the Lifemax Rechargeable Foldaway Fan, a cordless fan with a strong output that's ideal for your home or office and great for keeping you comfortable at night due to its quiet operation. The fan is USB rechargeable, offering up to 12 hours operation from a single charge. It features these useful charge level indicators. The fan offers 3 speeds with these touch button controls and a 180-degree adjustment. The telescopic stand, this fan is versatile enough for desk or floor use. When not required, the fan folds to just 19 by 10 centimeters for easy storage. Being cordless, the fan can be used anywhere and has a simple to remove grill for easy cleaning. The fan is available from this website or directly from www.lifemaxuk.co.uk.